Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we showcase an amazing shipping container home built with shipping containers in Miami Gardens, Florida. This single-story new construction home in Miami Gardens measures 1,100 square feet and it features a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan, perfect for the first-time home buyer or investor. The main entrance opens into a stunning living room. The container interior walls were cut out to create large open-plan living spaces, killing any notion of an interior space inside a shipping container. The living room sits at the front center of the house with lots of open space for entertainment and lounging. Situated at the back wall is a nice and open L-shaped kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with quality stainless steel appliances, custom lower and upper cabinets, plus quartz countertops. The kitchen sink sits in front of a slit window to light up the sink space and to beautifully frame out the view of the outdoors. The interiors feature high ceilings, elegantly laid marble tiled floors. From the lounge area is the first bathroom that has a 5-foot tub and shower, a toilet, quartz vanity top with modern white sink bowl, and a wall-mounted bathroom mirror. The master bedroom provides ample accommodation big enough to seat a king-size bed. It is fitted with a large closet, a large mirror, and a good-sized window for ample daylighting and ventilation. The master bedroom has a large closet and stylish bathroom fitted with a window to light up the space, a curtain shower cubicle, a toilet, vanity with a storage cabinet, and a huge mirror that makes the bathroom even more appealing. The second bedroom has a custom designed closet and enough room to accommodate a queen bed or bunk beds depending on the need. The third bedroom is not an exception either. It has a custom closet and roomy enough to accommodate a double bed. From outside, there is no single hint that this amazing contemporary house is made from shipping containers. The containers were wholly covered to give the house a more conventional look. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.